So now we create a program to understand the static class data members. Okay. So for that, let us create a class shared, and here we will have int a. A is the ordinary variable, and static int b. B is a static data member, and both of them are the private data members of this class. And in the public section, let us create a member function void set data int I comma int j, where a is equal to I and b is equal to j. Okay, and let us define another function void show cout static non-static data member a is equal to a cout static b is equal to b. Okay, so because a and b both are the parts of this class, they can be accessed by show function. Okay, and also write e and dl here. Okay, and one thing to note here is that b will be declared when you run this program. Okay, class, when you run this program, this class will be declared, and when the class is declared, inside that class this b variable will also be declared. But you know that the creation of a class does not allocate memory, it is only a blueprint. Okay, so it only tells the compiler that such kind of object will be created in the future. Okay, and the memory is allocated only when the object is created. But when the object is created, memory is allocated only for the instance variables. So only instance variable here is a. So memory will be allocated for a only. But then how to allocate memory for b? Can the object allocate memory for b? No. Object cannot allocate memory for b because b is not the object variable. It is not the instance variable. It is a class variable. So there must be a method for allocating memory to b. Okay, and that method is this. Okay, so here we are defining it, that is we are allocating memory to it. How are we allocating memory? We write the data type of the variable, that is int, and then we write the name of the variable, but it is resolved by the name of the class. Okay, so we write shared, that is the name of the class, then scope resolution operator, then b. It is compulsory to write the name of the class in order to tell the compiler that b belongs to class shared. Okay, so when this statement is executed, the memory will be allocated to the static variable b also. Okay, if you do not allocate memory to this, the compiler may give you an error. If the compiler is not giving you any error, still there will be problems while you are linking this program. Okay, so it is compulsory to define the static data members outside the class. Okay, now let us write the main function. Here in the main function, let us create objects of class shared. So I have created two objects shared x and y. Okay. X dot set data. Let us pass some values 10 comma 10. Okay. Then what will happen? A and B both will be initialized to 10. Let us try to see this see the result of call to set data by placing a call to show. Okay. X dot show. Then x dot set data. Sorry. Let us call y. Y dot set data 20 comma 20. So what is it doing? When x called set data, it set the values 10 and 10. So A was 10 and B was 10. A was 10 and B was 10. Remember, because B is a static variable, there is only one copy of B. Okay. Rather than writing the value of B, let us write the value of B here. Okay. So that it is easy for us to understand. A is 10 and B is 10. Okay. Then we call y dot set data. Now what will happen? For y, A will be 20, but B is not belonging to y. B is the shared variable. This is shared among x and y. So it will change from 10 to 20. Okay. So let us confirm this by placing a call to show. Okay. And if we now again call x dot show, then what will be the output? X will show the value of A is equal to 10, because this is the value of A belonging to x. And what value of B will it show? It will show B equal to 20. Why? Because y changed it from 10 to 20. Okay. And at the end there is a return statement. Now let us run it. In J. Okay. Okay. So when we call x, then A is 10, B is 10. When we call y, A is 20, B is changed from 10 to 20. And when again we call x, A is 20, because A here belongs to x, but the static data member B was changed from 10 to 20 by y. That is why it is showing us the value 20. Okay.